Hello. I am glad to welcome you to the 6th lesson of the Mechanica module. Today, we will explore ways to create and edit the drawing sheet format. Let's add technical conditions. To do this, on the Mechanics tab, call the appropriate command on the left side of the ribbon. Technical conditions are specific instructions related to the manufacturing process of a part. We can record them manually. For example, unspecified size deviations, radii of fillets and chamfers. If you frequently fill out technical conditions, we can save the conditions that have already been typed in the form of templates for later use. To do this, go to the Notebook tab and select the Edit Page icon. Enter the technical conditions and save file. Now you can select the desired conditions, or enter the condition manually for one-time use. Click Place. Insert the text by double-clicking or by specifying the start and end point of the text location. On the same tab, click on the leftmost icon, Drawing Titles or Borders. The Format Settings window opens. The Document Type drop-down list is used to select a document template from the list located in the Database section. Depending on the type of document, the appearance and accessibility of individual elements of the format dialog changes. Drop-down list format allows you to select the size of the sheet. The Auto-Numerate From field allows you to set the sheet number if necessary. The switch Use Zones From is responsible for changing the automatic and manual number of the first zone. Central Marks enables or disables marks in the center of the borders of the sheet. The paper bound shows the boundaries of the sheet. The floppy disk button, create a template saving this format, allows you to save template settings, connected stamps, and their parameters to the database. In the Settings window, set the A3 format for our drawing. Let's move on to editing the main stamp. Click on the Edit command, and a window will appear with fields related to the main stamp. Let's fill in the necessary fields, the name of our detail, the shaft, then Brown, Johnson, Smith. The program offers the opportunity to choose an option from the previously entered ones. Next, we fill in the scale of the drawing and the number of sheets. After specifying all the necessary characteristics, click OK in the stamp filling window and OK in the Format dialog box. Let's place the format in the model space. The command remains active, so to end the command, press the Escape key. In this way, we set up the format and drawing stamp fields for our part using a single Formats command and several dialog boxes. At this point, the 6th lesson on creating and editing the drawing format is coming to an end. This is the end of our basic Mechanica module course. Thank you for your attention.